Hey guys, Choppers01 here. Well, this is my latest acquisition. Check this out. It needs to be restored. It's all there, it's all complete. I'm not quite sure if I really want to restore it or not. I kind of like it the way it is, but we'll see how we go. So as you can see, it's not that old. I think it's from the 2000s. That's the pedal assembly. The steering here doesn't work, but I mean, that's not a great problem to fix. The seat's there. It's the same as the one that was in the cat rod, if you guys remember the cat rod. But I lost the seat from the cat rod. It's the same sort of back. I think it's a little bit earlier or a little bit later. I think the cat rod might be a smidge older, because this one's only, I think it's still one-wheel drive. But as you can see, it needs a full resto. I mean, it's not a real great problem. I can do it. The headlights are still there. They're not broken. It's even got the radiator cap. The interior's still got the little mini dashboard there. But anyway, we'll see how we go. What do you think, guys? I've got a few more pedal cars to show you, but I'll do this one first. Well, that's it for me now, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and as always, be kind to your mates. And ain't weak to speak. And whoever watches this video, just remember, the world is a better place with you in it. Bye for now.